What's up, everybody out there on YouTube? Today we are back again with another pickup. This time we're taking a look at an electronic toothbrush from Fairywill. Picked this up on Amazon. It was the deal of a day for 18 bucks, I believe. Now the price has gone back up to around just over 20 bucks, I believe. But it's an electronic toothbrush charged by USB, so it has a rechargeable battery. You don't have to put batteries in it. And it's a cool looking toothbrush. I think it has a gold trim around the button there, and as you can see, you have white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. So you have 5 different modes on this toothbrush. Dynamic cleaning, sonic technology, smart timer. You have 30-second intervals, pause, reminder, and a rechargeable and long-lasting power. And apparently this thing has the sonic technology 40,000 strokes per minute. So let's open it up. All right, you see it has a pull tab there. You can actually slide the box out, and that is the packaging that it comes in. As you can see, you have the toothbrush here. All right, you have the USB cable found under the holder, it says, and then you have all these components here. This is the actual toothbrush. I'm gonna just open this up here. I'm gonna take a look at the toothbrush first. All right. And that's the toothbrush. Comes with a nice little guard to protect the brush power button here, and then you have your different modes. And then that's the bottom where the charging port goes. So that's the toothbrush. And here we have, looks like another brush head. All right, it looks like the same brush head again. So that's just a soft brush, it says. So this one's a soft brush. I'm not sure which one it comes on it. And then you have a hard brush that it comes with too. So you have a soft brush, hard brush, and then you have the brush that came on the actual toothbrush. And then here you have a sharing gift. All right, so they gave us a gift in the box to thank you for leaving your honest review. All right, by the way, I don't know what this is. This is actually, I purchased the toothbrush, so this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. So, but looks like we have another type of brush head. Oh, this is one of those things that get in between the teeth. So you can put this on the brush and, you know, get in between the teeth with those. Underneath, along with some literature, just a simple USB power cable that plugs into the bottom there. And that's it. So it should be a simple toothbrush for 18 bucks. You can't beat that. You have the literature. Let's turn it on. Let's see what kind of motions we get. Oh yeah, it has a strong vibration. All right. And it looks like you just click the button, the power button, to go through the different modes. So one's on, you can click, click, click. That's that polish out here. Oh, that's cool. All right, so that's whitening, all right? There's your clean. That's the bristle movements on the clean. That's the bristle movement on sensitive. That's the bristle movement on polish. And that is the bristle movement on massage. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, pick this up from Amazon. It was the deal of a day, going for about 18 bucks with 2-day free shipping. And 18 bucks. I don't think you can beat that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please leave your comments. I will also leave the link in the description, very first link to Amazon, where you can look at the product features, you know, if you wanted to read some of that and see what the price of the toothbrush is at the moment. But there you have it. We have a Fairywill toothbrush, electronic, 40,000 per minute brush stroke. So hope this video helpful. Like, subscribe, share, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video.